Okay guys, so I've started a little channel update. So what I've done is I've started putting my spares online. I've got tons, loads of stuff that I don't use anymore, like for Seras and that, where I just simply don't have a Sera anymore, but I've got all these parts for it. Basically every car that you've seen come through the channel in the past, whatever spares that I've got that I don't need is going to be on this page. So best way for me to do this, Facebook page, EpicTMC spares. So standard stuff, use the search functions, EpicTMC, filter by pages, and you should see there EpicTMC spares. Click a follow, click into it, right, we're into the page. Happy days. How do you use this page? Well, for use, I've gone through, I've labelled it, I put part numbers where possible. So if you're looking for something, best way is use the search function, click into search and go, I'm after a sump. Bang. Okay, brilliant. I've got a sump. I've actually got like 2 or 3 of these, so if you need a turbo sump, let me know. 5E FHE, for example. Brilliant. Pistons, no rods, but there are 5E FHE stuff. So yeah, best way to use this is obviously you find something you like. You can either comment underneath it. You can get me on Telegram, or you can simply just message me. Either way, I'm going to pick it up at some point and we can talk about it. I do have some limitations, so this is the maximum sizes I can do. I can only do a length of 1500, so you're not going to see bumpers or bonnets on here, and I cannot do more than 30 kilograms with standard postage. So technically, anything that's under that shouldn't be more than like 20 odd quid. This is an old post now, so it has gone up a little bit since last year. But that doesn't mean that I cannot freight. So for example, if you're looking for a block, a turbo block, so there's a Clubman one there, or a 40 FD complete short block, then I can freight this. It's no bigs, but we've just got to factor the fact that this is coming from the Channel Islands, so there is VAT and there is shipping / freight, but we'll talk about it. You know, I'm not looking for crazy prices. I just want to shift the stuff that I'm not using anymore. So if you need it and I've got it to sell and we're happy on a price, then let's just talk about it. That's the way I'm looking at it. So there's no prices on you at the moment, but whatever fair market rate is, we'll just go with that. So yeah, so have a look through. You know, like I said, search part numbers, stuff like that. So I have done them where possible. So if you've got a part number that you're looking for, type it in. But like this is going to take me a long time to get all these parts on, because I've got boxes and boxes and boxes. It's probably going to take like 6 months. So if there is something you're looking for specifically, ask me, and if I've got it, I'll fish it out and try and find it. You know, see if I do have it. But if I don't, I don't. You know, I'm not a Japanese parts stockist. Let's put it that way. These are literally just spares that I've got from cars that I've broken down and bits that I don't have anymore, or use anymore, should I say. So yeah, so have a nose, tell me what you think, contact me if you're interested in something, and let's make a deal. Anyway, peace.